Hey everybody, it's Adrienne, your favorite flag girl. We're here today learning how to tie off your rope. Now, this is going to be the rope that you use for your outdoor in-ground flagpole. We get a lot of questions on how to tie off the rope. Typically, people try to do just a simple square knot. That's not going to hold very well outside. It will untie. So from there, what I want to do is show you how to do a double fisherman's knot. It slides, it's pretty cool. It's kind of fun to learn how to do, so I'm really excited to share this with you today. So just to let you know, we are working with 5/16 inch rope. That is the diameter. It is a woven nylon rope. For however high your flagpole is, you want to double the length of your rope. So if you have a 20-foot flagpole, you want 40 feet of rope. 25-foot flagpole, you want 50 feet of rope. Pretty easy. It'll give you plenty to work with. So what you want to do is start off with the two ends of your rope. Since this is nylon, it will unravel outside, so make sure you either take a lighter or an X-Acto knife or something and just seal off the edges or the ends of your halyard rope so you can keep it for as long as possible. What I suggest is giving yourself about 12 inches of rope to work with. You're going to want to take the ends and line them up like so. From there, I like to take the bottom piece, and this is where we're going to start our fisherman's knot. So, you're going to take the bottom piece of rope, loop it around twice, and then we're going to go from what would technically be the inside loop, right? So here we go. Give yourself a little bit of slack. Fit that right through there. Okay, tighten her up a little bit. There's one piece. Really cool thing here is that now you can slide this in right through the knot and give yourself as much rope as you need. So we're going to do this another time. I like to have the rope on the bottom, the piece that I'm going to be using. So you go around, around. There's your two loops. Back around. Take your end. Slide it through from the inside. And there's your second fisherman's knot, okay? Now, like I just showed you that the rope would slide, here's the coolest thing. Slips and slides, adjusts as you need it. And it's gonna take quite a bit of force to make that unravel. So here you have your double fisherman's knot to finish off your in-ground flagpole rope. Thanks for stopping in today, for viewing our video. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, go to FlagandBanner.com, or just come into the showroom in downtown Little Rock and say hi to us. Thanks for stopping in today. Bye guys.